So are we going to start seeing people developing their own models now, like grabbing one of the open weight models, doing some post training and specializing it? I mean, there's a lot of room for that. I mean, but infrastructure is needed. But I mean, I feel like we might be getting close to that point,
Yeah,
you
yeah. I
know,
mean,
of specialization.
we have to, and I think we're just trending in that direction because we solved all the other problems, right? Why
Mm,
are they not doing what we want, or why this agent hallucinates on this very minute business concept, 3,000 lines in the code base from 2009, right? Those things
mm.
get solved when we pull out the wikis and building the context libraries across these specialized agents. But eventually someone's going to say, well, our wiki is a terabyte at this point of MD files across our whole business.
Everybody in these crazy.
Maybe we
It's wild.
train a model on our wiki,
Mm.
we can generalize the use of it and not have to rely on the wiki. In my mind,
Yeah,
that's the obvious next step because everyone's just building the context right now.
that's a good point. I mean, when your context gets overloaded and you can actually balance that out with just putting that in training, your context is free to roam, right? And then there's that feedback loop, right? Here we're going to get into the concept of if you do own your own post training shop, these frontier models right now, they're having their agents or their models train their next models. What's preventing you from letting your model run in your business? Find all the things that need to get added in context when you see, like, through the chain of thought, when you see all the different tool calls, when you see all that sort of happening, being able to then do a feedback loop and retrain a new version of that model based on your learning. And then now that one has it, right? So it's kind of a cyclical thing. You can just continue to go and it gets better and better and better. Next thing you know, you have a centralized brain for your business,
Yeah,
right?
yeah.
So,
What about you on that side? So obviously, like the level of depth for an engineer is continuing to change. Like thinking
mm,
back on your past to where you are, and looking slightly into the future, we're already talking about becoming machine learning engineers. Like, is this an exciting thing? Like, do you enjoy having to step into all these new domains because of AI?
I think it's good to be aware, in general, of where everything is at, because the more you grasp a lot of these concepts in these different areas within tech, as tech evolves, it's a lot easier for you to keep up to speed, right? So you're not saying you have to go far deep into anything at this point. If you get more breadth, again, with AI, the depth is already coming up to you, it's surfacing to you. It's now you taking that knowledge and having the wisdom to know where to apply it and what part of your stack and what part of your layers, right?